This is interesting. This is Dave Rubin's big brain take on the Roe v. Wade decision. Listen to this. See if you can spot the problems.
The key part of all of this, it says, and to ensure that our decision is not misunderstood or mischaracterized, we emphasize that our decision concerns the constitutional right to abortion and no other right. Nothing in this opinion should be understood to cast doubt on precedents that do not concern abortion. In other words, if another case makes it up to the Supreme Court, they can't look at this case and say this has anything to do with, say, gay marriage or civil rights or anything else. So there's no...
Well, Ben Shapiro disagrees. Dave's good friend, Ben Shapiro, with whom Ben Shapiro may think that Dave is living in sin and going to hell, but they're just friends, you know? Ben Shapiro actually thinks Obergefell the Obergefell case, which legalized gay marriage, that was also wrongly decided. So it actually may be next.
Reason to believe that suddenly they're going to be coming for civil rights, that suddenly you're going to have laws.
Oh, they're literally saying it. Charlie Kirk said today, if we can overturn Roe v. Wade, anything is possible.
That stop black people from doing something or from gay people from doing something or anything else. Now, I can see already what's going to happen here, that there's going to be all of these people screaming about gay marriage. So let me just say a couple of things about the gay marriage thing. First off, if you remember before June of 2015, when the Supreme Court decided the gay marriage case, it was happening across the states. Can we check on that? How many states had gay marriage passed already by the time the Supreme Court did it? I think it was 20-something states. Remember, if you remember that year, there were states that were just going ahead and doing it properly, state by state by state. And then the Supreme Court got involved and said it is a federal right. Now, the difference is that in the Supreme Court's decision on gay marriage, they talked about specific clauses in the Constitution that were the basis for the law.
They did in Roe v. Wade as well. Not everybody agrees with it, but they talked about that in Roe v. Wade as well.
Which Roe v. Wade did not have.
That's untrue.
Roe v. Wade just said, hey, it's a constitutional right to have.
No. Roe v. Wade also was based on, was it, correct me, wasn't it right to privacy based on the 14th Amendment? Can people in the chat fact check me? He may disagree that it was correct to do that, but it was also based on the Constitution. People are saying yes. Come on, guys. I mean, this is very low quality. It's a very low quality take. I would have expected marginally better from Dave Rubin. So anyway, that's Dave Rubin's big brain take based on something that is wrong. It's just wrong. It doesn't make any sense.